Hi all. In this video, we'll be discussing about an interview question in Tableau. And the question is, what is cascading filter? So first, we'll understand about cascading filter and then we will discuss about one example in cascading filter. So cascading filters are the ones where on selecting a value from the first filter, limits the values to relevant values in the second filter. That means the values in the second filter depends upon the selection of your values in the first filter. So in order to create cascading filters, there has to be a hierarchical relationship in between the columns. Then only we can create cascading filters. Let's say, for example, if I have two filters like country and state. Now we know that country and state have a hierarchical relationship. So under each country, we have different states. Now, if I select country as India, so in state filter, it will show me the states related to India. And if I again change country as United States, it will show me the states related to United States. So this is how cascading filter will work. Now let's discuss one example. So as you can see, I have already imported the global superstore dataset, and you can find we have columns as country, state, and city. So I will use these three columns to create cascading filters because we know they have a hierarchical relationship between them. Country will be the topmost hierarchy, then comes state, and then comes city. So first of all, what we'll do is we'll just drag it to shell, country, state, and city. So to get this warning, just click on add all members. Then we'll drag any one of the measure, let's say sales. Then we'll click on show me and click on map because we have a geographic data type. So we'll show it as a map. And once the map is being displayed, let's close this show me. Next thing what we need to do is we need to drag these three columns to filters because we have to create cascading filters. So before creating cascading filters, you have to drag those columns to filters. And all those filters should have general. So click on apply and OK. It will be general filter only for all the three. Like state. So make sure that select from list is selected. So just click on that, apply and OK. And then city. Here also you need to click on select from list, apply and OK. Now we will show these filters on the right hand side. So I will right click on city, show filter, state, show filter, country, show filter. Now we'll try to establish the cascading filter. Now we know that country is the topmost hierarchy, then comes state, and then comes city. So before doing this, what we'll do is we'll convert that to single value. And I will select all from here. Similarly for state also I'll convert to single value and select all. Then convert the city also to select value. And then select all from city. So don't forget to click on all because initially we have not selected any of the country name or state name or city name. So in the initial stage, everything should be shown as all. Now we'll select one country. Let's say if we select India, for example. Okay, before doing that, what we need to do is we need to apply the cascading filters. Now, how to apply the cascading filters? So we know that city depends on state and state depends on country. So the lower hierarchies like state and city, you have to click on this drop down which is on the right hand side and select only relevant values. So these are the lower hierarchy, state and city. So for state I have already selected. Then go to city, click on that drop down and select only relevant values. So relevant values means if I select country as India, it will show me the states related to India. If I select state as Karnataka, it will show me the cities related to Karnataka. So for that reason, we are selecting the relevant values. So once you select the relevant values, it will establish a cascading filter. Now let's select India over here from country. Now as you can see, we have the state names which are related to India. Now let's select Karnataka, for example. As you can see, we have the city names related to Karnataka. Now if I click on Mysore, it is showing me the city name as Mysore, country as India, and state as Karnataka, and this is the total sales in Mysore. Then if I change it to Shimoga, for example, so it is showing me the location of Shimoga. So in this way, we can select the cities. Now, if you want to change the state name or if you want to change the country name, what you have to do is select all in city and select all in state. Now, once you select all in city and state, your filter will be removed. Then you can change the country name. Let's say if I change the country name to United States, for example. Now you can see you have the states related to United States country. Now let's select state as California, for example. Now you have the states related to, sorry, cities related to California. Let's say if I select Davis, that belongs to United States. Now if I want to change the state, so what I will do is I will select all in city. Then here I will select the state. Let's say I will select the state as Colorado. Now these are the cities related to Colorado state. So if I select Denver. So in this way, we can change the country name and state name. So make sure to click on all whenever you want to make any changes. If you want to make changes in the country, you have to click on all in the lower hierarchies like state and city. If you want to make any changes in the state, you have to click on all in city and then change the state name. So the corresponding lower hierarchies has to be selected as all. So when I wanted to change the country, the lower hierarchies were state and city. So I selected all in both state and city. When I wanted to change the state, the lower hierarchy was city. So I clicked on all in city. So in this way, we can create a cascading filter. So the main point over here in cascading filter is only the cascading filter is possible whenever you have a relationship, that is your hierarchical relationship between the two columns. If you don't have hierarchical relationship between two columns, cascading filters will never be possible. So that's the important thing that we need to know. So wherever you want to create cascading filters, first make sure that those columns have hierarchical relationship between them or not. If not, then cascading filters is impossible. So that's it for me. Thanks everyone.